Hello everyone, welcome back to my today's video, and I am here with yet another important topic. So do you all want to know how to become an intelligent bureau officer, that is the IB officer? So I will give you the step-by-step explanation on this in this video, so do watch till the end. And if anyone interested in your circle, please do share it across with them. So this is yet another wonderful career opportunity what we have. So I'll just explain what is India's Intelligence Bureau. It is the one of the oldest and the most secretive intelligence agencies. If you dream of working in covert operations or surveillance or cyber intel or counter terrorism, this video is for you. So what IB really does actually? So the Intelligence Bureau operates inside India and handles internal security and threats and counter terrorism and surveillance on suspicious individuals. So cyber threat monitoring and then border intelligence support. So these all they do. And then IB plays a very similar role to MIS, which is there in UK, and or also the FBI counterintelligence division in the US. So that level of importance IB has actually. So in India. And then how can you join IB? So there is no separate exam for that, but there is a direct there are two ways. One is through your deputation. Once you become an IAS, IFS or IAS or IPS, so you will have a deputation through that, or you can there is a direct recruitment for ACIO, that is the Assistant Central Intelligence Officer. What is the eligibility? Is the eligibility any degree, and age limit is 18 to 27, and the exam process is like the first level will be your MCQ based, that is English, Maths and Reasoning, and also GK, and the second level will be your essay and English comprehension, and the third level will be your interview and the background verification. This is very important. I wanted to highlight here, your background verification should be very clean, and especially on the digital space. And the deputation, then the salary for this direct recruitment is somewhere around 44,900 to 1,42,400 per month. And the deputation route is for example, if you are an IPS, if clear an IPS and then you're a state police or different personnel, you can enter IB through deputation and work in surveillance, technical analysis or desk intelligence roles. So and the internal promotion, what is actually the career path? So you can join as a security assistant or MTS and grow with ACIO and higher roles through the performance, simply based on your merit performance. And what are the roles inside IB actually? So you have a ACIO, that is a Secret Information Collection and Reporting Officer, and then security assistant, that is on ground tracking, and tech officer, that is phone or digital monitoring, and then desk officer, the analysis and threat evaluation, and then station director, that is leads operationist. Okay, and then the skill the IB looks for, especially you should have a very strong observation and the memory power and steady emotional control. So you should not be your emotional, you should be able to control your emotions. So that is very important skill which is required for IB. And then clean social and legal background, so you should not have any, your background should be very clean. And then awareness of national issues, you should be having that knowledge, and that you should inculcate from your childhood as well. So and then physical fitness, yes, and that is very important. And then ability to blend in without being noticed. So you at times you will not get noticed, but still you have to be blended according to the situation. And so I'll just give you a roadmap for the students. That is when you are in class 6 to 10th, it will start reading the news daily, and then build awareness, and then stay physically active, and also if possible join NCC or sports. That will be an added skill for you for this IB. And after 10th or in college, then any degree you can choose, if you are going to choose the ACIO path, the direct recruitment path, or you can take BTech in that you can do a tech or cyber roles, which will also helpful, and then language degree translator roles also can helpful. So this is something very like interesting one. And then working in IB is just not a job, it is a commitment to protect our entire nation, that is India. If you want to know more, if you want more guidance about on ACIO and exam preparation, comment below on this video, and then you can DM me as well directly for further these type of unique career guidance. I think many of you will want to work and join army or navy, or some of the other reasons they are not able to join. Then they can also work in this way to protect our country. So this make you also proud, and you will have that self satisfaction for doing something in your work as a passion. If you have a passion towards this, and in your work you are able to protect India, then that is something amazing, right? So hope you have this video helped you, and then do share this video with your friends or your brothers or sisters or your kid, whoever is interested. And then see you in next video with yet another important topic. Bye bye, take care.